In this video, I will show you the 4 best platforms for improving your programming skills. Hello everyone, here's Hanzla Siddiqui, and today I am going to show you 4 of the best online platforms for improving your programming skills. Number 1. CodeChef. If you are interested in data science, this may be the platform for you because there are over 56,000 learners enrolled in Python. That's a key language in data science. Number 2. CodeWars. In my opinion, it was the best platform to learn JavaScript because it offered very basic problems that could assist you foster your foundation, for example, creating a phone number, etc. Number 3. HackerRank is my favorite platform because it will guide you step by step and offers mock tests, which will definitely be very useful for beginners. Last but not least, LeetCode provided a wide range of questions about data structures, algorithms, and SQL, as well as interview questions that will be very challenging during interviews. I hope this video was informative for you. Leave a comment below about your favorite coding platform. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content.